Welcome to the Home Achievement Academy, brought to you by One Awards. As a social housing organisation, investment into tenant learning and development will be important to you as part of your corporate social responsibility. It is well documented how tenants struggle with personal barriers, including those towards learning and work. Almost half of social housing residents in England of working age are out of work, and the large majority are economically inactive. So policymakers are right to worry about the social rent employment gap. Overall, social housing residents are around twice as likely to be out of work and not looking or available for work as those living in other tenures. But there are challenges: time, funds and experience. Social housing organisations don't necessarily have extra time or extra money or the experienced staff to deliver learning and development for their tenants. Research shows that by improving learning, tenants are more likely to find and keep paid employment, they are more likely to take care of their homes, and they are more likely to be able to pay their bills and retain their tenancies. So how can the Home Achievement Academy help? The Home Achievement Academy is a new high-quality learning solution that has been created with the bespoke needs of social housing tenants in mind. With 25 years of experience in education and with support from Home Group, One Awards has developed a platform that can offer online courses with inbuilt assessments, badges of achievement and e-certification. On-demand vocational skills content to help tenants progress towards work, events such as tutorials, live teaching sessions and peer support networking sessions to build that community of learning. High quality advanced XR content with 360 videos and immersive experience to develop careers guidance and real work related learning. And a virtual learning environment for live teaching so that staff can engage directly with tenant learners. The Home Achievement Academy has been created with social housing tenants' bespoke needs in mind. It is simple and easy to navigate. It can be used on a range of devices, including low-grade mobiles. Learning can take place offline if Wi-Fi is an issue. It can be translated into other languages, and there are strict safeguards in place to protect learners and staff. Ultimately, it develops confidence and a desire to learn more and progress towards work. Through Home Group, we've developed a range of case studies of real tenants going through the Home Achievement Programme, like Rory, who lives in supported accommodation. He has specialist needs but is willing and able to work. Through the programme, Rory has been able to achieve his first ever certificates. He's always loved cooking and used his newfound confidence to volunteer in the home care kitchen. His supervisor was so impressed with his ambition that he supported him to enrol onto a catering apprenticeship. And Tina, who spent 10 years in a domestically violent relationship, she's now a single parent. Her confidence was so low when she joined the Home Achievement Programme, but she quickly bonded with other women and together they worked hard to achieve all of the units to gain the certificate. This boosted her confidence and she wanted to learn more. So she is now enrolled on a health and social care course at the local college as she wants to become a social worker and support women who've been through similar experiences to her own. And also Rebecca, who has 5 children and a partner who works night shifts at a local frozen food factory. She didn't achieve any qualifications at school, but she'd always dreamt of being a teacher. But getting out of the house to do a course was very challenging with her large family to care for. Through the Home Achievement Programme, she was able to achieve her first ever certificates, which gave her the drive and passion to learn more. She's enrolled on a Level 2 Teaching Assistance Programme at the local Adult and Community Learning Centre and is now volunteering in her children's school to gain her work experience hours to support her in her goal. So what about our credentials? Well, One Awards is a UK awarding organisation regulated by the Department for Education's Quality Assurance Agency. It has been delivering and developing bespoke accreditation for the education and skills sector for over 25 years. There is a dedicated team of 10 staff supporting this project, and with our technical partner Olive Group, we are able to deliver this high quality education and training platform for social housing organisations in the UK and internationally. The platform has been tried and tested with real tenants from Home Group, one of the UK's largest social housing associations, and they tell us that they've been delivering classroom-based learning for many years using the One Awards bespoke accreditation, and it gives their tenants value in their certificates to showcase their achievements and progress further in learning. It's often the first steps of learning for many of their tenants, but they go on to higher level courses, apprenticeships and work. Through the Home Achievement Online Academy, they believe they can reach many more tenants and provide them with flexible learning solutions to work around their needs. They highly recommend the Home Achievement Academy to other social housing providers and would be happy to use their experience to support them on their journey with tenant learning and development. So what is the offer? The offer is an annual licensing agreement to use the Home Achievement Academy with ready-made courses in many sector pathways such as personal progress, employability, health and construction. You can also design and deliver your own content and courses with ease. You can white label the platform to your own branding to connect with your tenants, and all courses are accredited and certificated by the nationally recognised awarding organisation One Awards, allowing meaningful achievements to move your tenants closer to work. You will be surprised at the low cost for this platform. As a not-for-profit education charity, we are able to keep the cost low to really support and promote learning and achievement for all. To talk to us about this unique and exciting platform, please contact me, fabienne.bailey@oneawards.org.uk, or call on 0191 518 6550. Thank you.